73% of people who exercise in the morning stick to their fitness routine, compared to just 31% of evening exercisers. That means if you work out when you wake up, you're more than twice as likely to actually keep doing it. But there are exactly 5 components that separate a killer morning workout from just rolling out of bed and moving around. And if you're serious about transforming your mornings and your body, I've got an incredible workout program linked in the description below that's specifically designed for busy people who want maximum results in minimum time. Your body's literally primed for exercise the moment you wake up. Here's why this matters more than you think. After 7 to 8 hours of sleep, your glycogen stores are depleted by roughly 60 to 70%. This means your body has no choice but to burn fat for fuel during morning exercise. Compare this to evening workouts when you've eaten throughout the day and your glycogen is fully stocked. Your cortisol levels peak naturally between 6 and 8 a.m., which is exactly when you want them high. Cortisol gets a bad reputation, but morning cortisol is your friend. It increases your heart rate, blood pressure, and glucose availability by up to 40%. You're basically getting a natural pre-workout shot courtesy of your hormones. Your core body temperature is also at its lowest point when you wake up, sitting around 97.5 degrees instead of the usual 98.6. This means you can exercise longer before overheating. Studies show people can work out 23% longer in the morning before reaching exhaustion. But here's where it gets interesting. Your testosterone levels are 50 to 60% higher in the morning regardless of your age or gender. For men over 30, morning testosterone can be 300 nanograms per deciliter higher than evening levels. For women, it's about 20 nanograms higher, but that still translates to better muscle building and fat burning. Number 1. The perfect warm-up sequence. Your joints have been static for 8 hours. Your synovial fluid, which lubricates your joints, has thickened to about twice its normal viscosity. You need exactly 3 to 5 minutes to get everything moving properly. Start with 30 seconds each of arm circles, leg swings, hip circles, and neck rolls. Then do 20 jumping jacks, 15 bodyweight squats, and 10 push-ups against the wall. This sequence raises your heart rate from a resting 60 to 70 beats per minute up to around 100 to 110. Your muscle temperature needs to increase by at least 2 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal performance. This warm-up does exactly that while activating your nervous system. Think of it as turning your body from airplane mode back to full signal strength. Number 2. Compound movements that actually work. The biggest mistake people make is doing isolated exercises in the morning. Your body wants to move as one unit, not piece by piece. Compound movements burn 3 to 5 times more calories and trigger a much stronger hormonal response. Here's your core 5. First, the squat to overhead press. This hits your legs, core, shoulders, and arms in one movement. Do 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Your heart rate will jump from 110 to about 140 beats per minute. Second, the deadlift to upright row. This targets your entire posterior chain plus your upper back. 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. You're working over 70% of your muscle mass with this single exercise. Third, push-up to mountain climber. Start in push-up position. Do 1 push-up, then alternate bringing each knee to your chest 4 times. That's 1 rep. Do 3 sets of 8. This combination burns approximately 12 calories per minute. Fourth, reverse lunge to knee drive. Step back into a lunge, then drive that back knee up to chest level. Alternate legs for 3 sets of 10 per side. This improves your balance while torching your legs and core. Fifth, plank to downward dog. Hold a plank for 5 seconds, then push your hips up into downward dog for 5 seconds. That's 1 rep. Do 3 sets of 8. This strengthens your entire core while improving flexibility. If you want to take your morning workouts to the next level, check out the comprehensive program I've linked in the description. It includes video demonstrations of every exercise plus progressive training plans. Number 3. The timing formula that maximizes results. Most people think longer workouts equal better results. That's completely backward for morning exercise. Your willpower is strongest in the first 20 to 30 minutes after waking up. After that, decision fatigue starts creeping in. The sweet spot is 18 to 25 minutes total. Here's how to break it down. 5 minutes for warm-up, 15 to 18 minutes for your main workout, and 2 minutes for cool-down. This timing keeps your cortisol elevated just long enough to boost fat burning without triggering the negative stress response. Your workout intensity should follow the 70 to 85% rule. That means you should be breathing hard but still able to say a few words. On a scale of 1 to 10, you want to hit about a 7 or 8 during the main exercises. Rest periods matter too. Keep them short, between 30 to 60 seconds between exercises. This maintains your heart rate in the fat-burning zone of 130 to 150 beats per minute for most people. Number 4. Hydration and fuel strategy. You wake up dehydrated. Period. You've lost approximately 16 to 20 ounces of water through breathing and sweating overnight. Also, your blood is literally thicker, which means your heart has to work 20 to 30% harder to pump it. Drink 16 ounces of water immediately when you wake up. Not coffee, not tea, just plain water. Add a pinch of sea salt if you want to speed up absorption. Your kidneys can process about 8 ounces every 15 minutes, so give yourself at least 10 minutes before starting your workout. Should you eat before working out? It depends on your goals. If fat loss is your priority, skip the food. Your body will burn fat for the first 20 to 30 minutes of exercise when glycogen is low. But if you're trying to build muscle or you feel dizzy exercising on an empty stomach, have something small. The best pre-workout snacks contain 15 to 20 grams of carbs and minimal fat or fiber. Half a banana, a slice of toast, or a handful of dates all work perfectly. Eat them 15 to 20 minutes before exercising so your blood sugar has time to rise. Number 5. Recovery and what happens next. Your cool down is not optional. Your heart rate needs to gradually return to normal, not crash suddenly. Spend 2 minutes doing gentle stretching or walking in place. Your heart rate should drop from 140 back down to under 100 during this time. Here's what's happening in your body for the next 6 to 12 hours after your morning workout. Your metabolism stays elevated by 12 to 15%, meaning you burn an extra 150 to 200 calories just sitting around. This is called excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, or EPOC. Your insulin sensitivity improves by up to 40% for the rest of the day. This means your body handles carbs better at every meal. Your muscles are also primed to absorb nutrients for the next 4 to 6 hours, so this is when you want to eat your biggest, most carb-heavy meal. Your mood gets a massive boost, too. Morning exercise increases endorphins, dopamine, and norepinephrine levels that last 6 to 8 hours. People who exercise in the morning report being 37% more productive at work and 23% better at handling stress. Sleep quality improves as well, but there's a catch. You need to maintain consistent timing. Your circadian rhythm loves routine. If you work out at 7 a.m. Monday through Friday, try to keep it close to that time on weekends too. Now here's the reality check. The first week is brutal. Your body is not used to this. Expect to feel tired, maybe even a little grumpy, by mid-afternoon for the first 5 to 7 days. This is completely normal and temporary. By week 2, your energy levels start stabilizing. By week 4, morning workouts feel natural. By week 8, you'll actually wake up feeling energized and ready to move. The research shows it takes 56 to 66 days to form a true habit, so stick with it for at least 2 months. The compound effect of morning workouts is incredible. People who exercise consistently in the morning for 6 months show improvements in 7 different health markers. Resting heart rate drops by 8 to 12 beats per minute. Blood pressure decreases by 5 to 10 points. Body fat percentage drops by 3 to 7%. And sleep quality scores improve by 25 to 30%. Your morning workout sets the tone for everything else. It's not just about the 20 minutes you spend moving. It's about the confidence, energy, and momentum that carries you through the entire day. If this video helped you understand why morning workouts are so powerful, hit that like button and subscribe for more science-backed fitness content. And drop a comment below telling me what time you're planning to start your morning routine tomorrow.